Hello, welcome to my 6-star fashion nigga Reggie, and this of course you're Caucasian. So today I'm really excited to share with you this product right here. Let me show you. Ta-da! Brownies for my brownie. Try to call me black or something. If you know, you know.
But don't be making you brownies, my brownie.
Anyway, yep. Today I am showing you guys Firmoo. Okay, they're a company that makes glasses basically. Trust me, you want to go on there and cop you a pair or several, okay? And I mean that, okay? So they reached out to me and they're like, girl, we gonna send you some glasses. And so they did. And let me show you all the ones that they sent me, because I picked these out, okay? And before I get to, just wait till I try them on, okay? Like, I really like the layout of the website. They have sunglasses, they have prescription glasses. Girl, prescription, like, come on. And you can get them like in any frame pretty much, you know, as long as it lines up with the prescription, because with certain prescriptions, whatever. But anyway, they have prescription glasses, and according to the reviews that I read, like, the prescriptions are accurate, you know. So I didn't get a prescription pair. I got ones with the blue light filter, and I know, look at them, look. Yo, I can see myself wearing these right now. But also, like, I'm so mad I didn't get these before Valentine's Day, or for Valentine's Day. But anyway, these, just to mention, were $26, $25.99 if you want to be technical, you know. But then they have like the blue light filter. But oh, these are available in a different color as well. I intentionally picked these. They have so many frame styles, like, you can't get bored of it, okay? And yo, these are like super cute, and you can filter. Oh yeah, this is perfect. So when you're on the website, you can actually filter to see like what, oh, for shape, which is what I did, because I wanted something that was like, boom, I'm here. So let me try these on right now. Are you dumb? Oh my gosh, look, you like it? Oh my gosh. Sorry, y'all. I feel like that girl. I am though, but you know, I'm seeing. All right, these are super cute. I feel like they go well with this sheen.
Okay, here's a close-up of the glass. It's kind of blurry, I know, sorry. But also, when I said sheen, I meant sheen like lustrous, not S-H-E-I-N, baby. I've never copped anything from them. I just wanted to say that. I don't know why. Okay, bye.
Jack. Anyway, whatever. Yeah. I feel like. Oh, also, you guys, disclaimer. Please don't mind my hair, okay? I thought okay, it's a long story. It's a long story. Yeah, aren't these cute? I love them. They sit on my face pretty well, you know, like, they're not going anywhere. Because I've had this problem before, like with glasses, but you know, if you wear them a lot, like, what can happen is in the this is called the, what's this? The temple. Then they can get loose. These, perfect. Okay, and you can get like different styles, like I said, you know, sunglasses, what have you. So of course I'm gonna have a link in the description for you if you want to buy a pair, because I have a discount code, of course. I wasn't just gonna leave you hanging. All right, so if you like this video, which, girl, how you not gonna like the video? Oh boy, because when I look at my analytics, let me see what percentage of is like the ratio of girl to like boy, because in my videos I'm always like, girl, da da da. Anyway, okay, so my audience is pretty much 50-50 at this point. All right, so yeah, girl, boy, buy you a pair. Buy a pair for him, buy a pair for her. They have kids frames as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. All right, if you like this video, show me that you like it by liking the video. Turn on your post notifications after you subscribe to my channel. That's all I got. Yeah, comment. Peace out. Thumbs up. I'm gonna be at this joint.